How to find all the comments you have made on TikTok. Hello, everybody. Here's how you can do it. So let's just go ahead with the process. First of all you gotta do is open up the TikTok application. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can just go ahead and download it and log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you should be finding the home interface directly on your screen by default. So in order to look out for your comments history, look out for your profile icon in the bottom right first, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, it will lead you to your profile. Now from here, head over the menu at the top right corner, tap on it, and a menu appears on your screen. Now from the given options, look for the option of settings and privacy, tap on it, and after tapping on settings and privacy, you will be led to the space with different options. You may scroll down and head over to content and display section where you should be finding an option of activity center. So just go ahead and tap on that option, and once you tap on it, here you can easily find an option of comment history. Just go ahead and tap on it, and when you tap on it, here it will show you all of the comments. So this is how you basically find your comments that you've made on TikTok. Here it will show you the entire history of your TikTok account where you've commented, and that is it. This is how you do it. You may follow this method in order to look out for the comments that you made on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.